We are staying in 8008 and we've got an adjoining room and got 8082. We've just checked in at Stella Nova. We've got interconnecting rooms, so we've got 8080 and 8082. Coming in, you've got a full length mirror, and then into the bathroom, you've got a big sort of sink area and soap. Coming into the bathroom, we've got the toilet. And we've got a walk-in shower with shampoo and conditioner. And we've also got next door the same layout, but with a bath shower. Then coming into the main room, you've got a little fridge, tiny little fridge. So we're in Stella Nova, which is based on space and stars. So you've got two really big beds, and then you've got a area with drawers. You've got your phone, you've got coffee making facilities, an ice bucket, very big TV, and you've got a nice seating area. And that is our room.